Even if you drop, every time you drop, that means you're closer to getting it. So don't worry about dropping. Don't worry about dropping. You had all three in the air. 3, 4, good, good. A little bit higher and you got it.
Hey everyone, it's Chris from Flaghouse, and this week I'm here with Coach Chip Candy, and we're going to be doing a great activity, one of Chip's favorites. It's juggling with scarves.
Scarf juggling is probably one of the most important things I ever taught. Every student who came through me needed to learn how to juggle, and once they learned scarf juggling, it was a lifetime activity. Great cross-brained activity, probably the best that we know.
So we've got Juggling with Scarves coming up next, and hey, if you want more activities like this, then please subscribe to the Flaghouse Activity channel on YouTube. We have brand new episodes every single Wednesday. Coming up next, it's the Juggling with Scarves on the Flaghouse Activity channel.
All right, welcome everybody. Well, today we're going to work on juggling. Now, one of the easiest ways to learn how to juggle is to start with scarves. Now, I'm going to work you through 1 scarf, 2 scarves, 3 scarves. All right, now the fun of this is once you learn it, you will be able to amaze your friends and you will be the highlight of every party because you'll be able to pick up 3 apples and start juggling. So the trick to juggling today is going to be to take it slow. So I'm going to ask everybody to walk over here and pick up 1 scarf. 1 scarf only. I'd like you to make a ghost out of your scarf, and the way you make a ghost is pick it up from the middle. So hold it here in the middle. Now when you throw and catch, you're going to do what's called the claw catch. So I'm always going to catch with my hand facing down. So if I throw it, I'm going to have my hand facing down like that. So if you're looking up here, it's up and down and up and down, and your hand is always going to face down. So you're never going to turn your hand over. It's going to be up and down, up and down, up and down. All right, give yourselves a little bit of space, spread out. Here's my throw as hard as I can. Look up here. Here's my hard throw. All right, that's pretty high. Now watch what happens if I lift it. Went the same height. So you don't have to throw it, just lift. All right, watch what I'm going to do. I'm going to lift it up in the air. I'm going to clap as many times as I can before it hits the floor. And then I have to catch it right before it hits the floor. So watch what I'm going to do. And catch it right before it hits the floor. All right, let's go to your opposite hand. Opposite hand, the other hand that you didn't use yet. Up and down with that hand. Up and down. Up and down. Nice and slow. All right, let's go from right hand to left hand. So I'm going to go left hand. I'm going to catch with my right hand. I'm going to go right hand and catch with my left. Left and catch with right. See how slow you can do it. So up slow and then catch. Up slow and then catch. All right, so here's what I'm going to do now. This is going to be the X pattern. X pattern, watch me. I'm going to throw my right and then throw my left. The right one, the pink one, has to end up in my left hand, and the yellow one has to end up in my other hand. So it's going to be throw, throw, catch, catch. You should be able to say throw, throw, catch, catch. All right, so nice and easy. See what you got. All right, go. Whichever one you throw first, that's when you got to catch first. You're catching your first one second. Throw first. Which one are you throwing first? I got to catch that one first. Ah, like that. Perfect. Boom, boom. Good. Perfect. Good, 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 good. I like it. I like it. 2 scarves in 1 hand. I'm always, always, always going to start with the hand that has 2 scarves. Which one do I start with? Do I start with my right hand or my left hand? Doesn't matter. I always start with the hand that has 2 scarves. I'm going to throw 1 from this hand. I'm going to throw 1 from this hand, and then I'm going to throw 1 from this hand. So I'm just going to go right, left, and then it's just like walking. Okay, so yellow and orange are 2. So watch it. Look, everybody, watch. 1, 2, catch, catch. Now the pink one still didn't get in there. The pink one is just going to let me keep doing that over and over and over. Watch what the pink one's going to do. 1, 2, there's the pink one. 3, 1 and 2, and throw, throw, catch, catch, and throw, throw, catch, catch. Now, if you watch, again, think about what I'm doing. Look what I'm doing. I'm going right, left, right, left. There you go. There you go. He's got it. Go, throw that next one. You had it. You got it. Throw the next one. You had it. 1, 2, 3. Slow down. Slow down. 1, 2, 3. That's slow. Let's see. Let's see. 1. Throw the next one. Throw the next one. That's it. That's it. Now, one more thing you want to know here is you're only going to have one in the air at a time, even though it looks like there's really two. So some of you are going 1, 2, 3, and you have all three of them up there. I want to go one, and then the other one, and then the other one, and then the other one, and then this one. So there's one, there's one, there's one. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, that's all right. Just keep going, come on, come on. Yeah, yeah, yeah. All right, now, what's going to help you do? What's going to help you do it better? Lift them. So lift up and up and up. Even if you drop, every time you drop, that means you're closer to getting it. So don't worry about dropping. Don't worry about dropping. You got all three in the air. 3, 4, good, good. A little bit higher and you got it. Up, 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 up. Now you see you got it. Good. So we're gonna stop. We're gonna stop with that. Here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna transition in a second to go to some juggling balls.
Thanks for watching this week's episode. Feel free to like, share, or comment on this video, especially if you've got your own ideas for this week's episode. Click over here to subscribe to our channel, and be sure to ring that notification bell so you'll get updates when we bring you new phys ed ideas. Check out more from our library of over 150 activity channel episodes here. And get downloadable activity guides and lesson plans at flaghouse.com here. See you next time on the Flaghouse Activity Channel.